Both of you, really? Hello, MD World. It's Bill Wilmore here. Currently about 10 weeks out for the Mr. Olympia. So John and I decided to come out here and do a little chest workout, give you guys a little bit of a taste of what I have coming for the upcoming next 10 weeks. And it was a pretty good workout today. Did a lot of volume and really concentrated on the upper chest and really concentrated on making sure I get good deep contractions because I found for myself that that's the best way for my chest to be real round, and that's the look that I'm looking for right now. I do all of that. What would happen? Well, one of my new jobs that I've been doing is I've been coaching a lot of athletes. It's actually something I kind of fell into, and it's something that I really enjoy, and I'm real excited about some of the opportunities that some of my athletes have coming up. Actually, tomorrow I'm leaving for the Mr. USA competition, which I have two guys in the competition, one being Ellie.
What's up?
And he's actually a light heavyweight. He just placed second at the Southern States. Real close between him and the guy that won. Actually came down to actually 1 point, if I'm not mistaken. And we're looking for this week to actually bring him in a little bit harder and a little drier and fuller, and really try to make a splash there. I have another guy too. His name is Alex, and he's another light heavyweight guy. He's got a great physique, and I'm really excited about his opportunity as well. And to my left, I have Julio here, which is actually training for the Nationals. So we're just now kind of just mapping up his game plan and actually making sure that he comes in at his all-time best as well. So as we get as we get closer, you guys will be hearing more, especially about my prep leading up to the Olympia and about more of my athletes. Ready? 2, 3. Okay. Got it. Oh. Okay, okay. Come on. Come on. Okay, take it. Woo.
No, it's not sleeping. It's good.
Go. Okay.
So maybe after there's a site for food. I'll say it tomorrow. Yeah, but this time I'm gonna get out of here.
Going up. Good. Go, Bill. Come on. Okay, got it. Control it.
Technically, you're
Stay. I won the Toronto Pro Show, which actually qualified me for the Mr. Olympia. And there was a little bit of talk back and forth if I was going to do the show or not. I'm actually definitely doing the show and really looking forward to bringing my all-time best. And I'm really excited about that opportunity that I have.